Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have an exciting haul to share with you. I got me some Dollar Tree goodies. I know it's been a while since I've been to Dollar Tree, but I went ahead and snagged some stuff up for the Christmas, and yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got. So the first thing I want to share are these little boxes that I was able to get my hands on. How cute are these? I love these. They're the colors that I like. So you got the ho 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 and you got the let us snow. And actually this box goes with a lot of the fabrics that I recently uploaded a video for. But yeah, so I got these and they're just little gift boxes. And it does come with a little envelope in there so you can put your little card in there and to and from. And then this one also, real nice. So I got those two. The next thing I did find were these gift boxes. They do come with 5 in there. And I got these because they're basically the same theme almost to this one here. And I love the colors, the red, blue, and white, and the gingy on there. Love, love, love. So I saw these. So I got me 2 of those. Also, I also bought these Christmas cards, which are money holders. I like this so that I could actually, I'm not using it for money holders, but it's to DIY with them. I want to alter these. I thought these were really pretty. I like the front, just for you. These are really cute. Love that. And it does come with some envelopes in there. And you do get 8 of those. I also hauled these mini glass containers so I could fill them up with some sequence mix. Look at that. So I got my hands on 2 of those. I also hauled some Jello candy canes. Those would be nice for gifting. I got those ones. Love candy canes. I also was able to get my hands on these fabric gift bags, and they do come with 2 each. And this one was a snowflake on that one, and this one is merry and bright, and they're actually a really big, good size. They're 9 by 7. So yeah, and they do have a little drawstring on it. So I thought those were cute to use for packaging for like swaps and whatnot. I was able to get my hands on these candy cane spoons, and I like it because they're individually wrapped. So you can use this for swaps or even gifting, which is what I'm going to use it for. So I got those. And I think it's so awesome that they're actually in these individual pouches. I got 2 of those. So I kind of went in a little gift bag rabbit hole with Dollar Tree. So I also got these ones here, which are also the burlap. And this one comes in 3, and they're size 6 inches by 4. And so I got the snowflake one. I was able to get the candy cane, and you do get 3 each in there. And I did get the gingies, so I like those. For the $1.50, you can't beat it. And I actually got the Christmas tree one also. And like I said, you get 3 of them. The next thing I was able to find is this collapsible paintbrush washer, which is really cool. I haven't seen it at any other Dollar Trees until this one. And I like it because it does have where you hold your paintbrush, and the best part, it collapses. And it's in pink, so I was able to get my hands on that. So, I also found some treat bags. A lot of the other Dollar Trees I went to no longer have these, but I was able to find them. And this one is the peppermint candy, red, green, and white. And you do get each of 8 of them. And this one does have the tie on top, so you just fold it almost like a lunch bag. So I got that one. And then the next one I have here is another candy cane one. Look at that. How pretty is that? See up close. And here's another one. And this one is the snowman stocking. Thought that was cute. Let me show you a picture. Sorry if there's a glare. I got 2 of those ones. Actually, I think I got 2 of each. Yeah, so I got 2 of those and 2 of the peppermint one and 1 of these. They had other ones there, but these are the ones that I really like, so I got those. And then the last thing I had were these keychain. I do have some DTF Christmas Kuromi that I want to put on there, so I got for this. So I got that. So yeah, that is my little Dollar Tree haul that I have. So I'm happy that I was able to find some of this stuff because a lot of the Dollar Trees around are actually emptying out on their Christmas already. But this one actually still have ribbon and whatnot. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the notification. Leave a comment below and let me know what you found at your Dollar Tree. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.